Hey guys, if you want to see how I made this beautiful wig, sit back, relax, and keep watching. Hey everybody, how's it going? I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Thank you for vibing with TK today. I'm going to show you the step-by-step process of what I'm going to use. This is the weaving cap that I'm going to use. It's like a net base type cap, so adjustable. It has the adjustable band on the back where you can adjust it however you want it to. So this is the hair I will be using. I have a video of how I colored this hair to achieve this. I'm going to be using the closure for this wig, and this is what the closure looks like. And there's a video of how I made this hair, and now it goes from straight to its natural color state. I already bleached the knots of this closure, as you can see. And I have videos on how I bleached the knots. And apply the closure onto the middle of the hair, right here. Take the hair out of the way and pull it down a little bit. Pull it down a little bit away from the edge of the cap, just a little bit, and then take a couple pins and pin it down. Make sure you pin the closure all the way around. So I'm gonna weave this hair out of the way so I can clip it down so you can see better when I start sewing down the closure. And also it helps as well to get the hair out of the way so you can see what you're doing. So make sure you're picking up just the top mesh, okay? So I'm going from under, wrap my thread around it twice, and pull. And super snug and tight. So that's what you want. That's how you want your closure to be. So now it's time to install those bundles. So I'm going to start from the very end, like so, and make my way all the way to the top from one end to the other. And just keep building like so. So I actually went ahead and doubled my second and third bundle. If you want to see how I double those tracks using a sewing machine, leave a comment down below in the comment section. I'll definitely drop it. I'm going to split this last track into two because I want this area to be very flat. After I cut off the excess cap, I went in off camera and put some hair on the sides underneath the cap, so when the wind blows you would not see that cap underneath. Thanks for vibing with TK. Do not forget to subscribe and like this video. I'll see you next time.